Hi everyone, and welcome to another kind of unboxing from EMK. We have to first call attention to all of those KISS fans out there. This coin today is for you. This is the 50th anniversary KISS coin. It is a 1 ounce silver uncirculated coin in color. And what brilliant color that is. Just fantastic. And of course, very appropriate for the band KISS. Of course, they're very well known for their face paint, their awesome outfits, really just shock rock performances. There you can see it struck for the country of Niue, and of course has all the licensing on the product there. We can see the original band members of KISS on the obverse of the coin. That is, of course, Paul Stanley, Gene Simmons, Ace Frehley, and Peter Criss. Just phenomenal. And we also have another coin that was produced for the 50th anniversary. It is the KISS Premium Bullion coin. Now, unlike the color coin that has a mintage of 2,500 pieces, this bullion piece has a mintage of 25,000 pieces. So it's definitely one for those silver stackers out there. The reverse is the same as the color version. You've got that record inspired image there. And of course, both of these coins are produced for the country of Niue. So we have the Niue emblem there. Very nice the way this silver just shimmers off this piece. Lovely. And I love how you've got the text of KISS there, and then also little logos on the bullion piece that represents all four members, and of course the characters, the onstage characters that they played, which is, if you remember, it is the Star Child, the Demon, the Spaceman or Space Ace, and of course Catman. Really iconic band members there, and of course a very iconic time starting in the 1970s. Really just awesome. And for any fans out there, one if not both of these coins is definitely a must for the collection. You can check them out on our website, which is www.emk.com.